They're going? Tanjay City Market. Hey, 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 hey.
Oh, bossing, my friends.
Yeah, morning, morning.
Good morning.
Morning.
You buy fruits?
Oh, wala kwarta.
Wala kwarta?
Wala kwarta.
Apot. Nakakani kwarta buta.
Oh, just filming.
Wala kwarta dala.
Wala kwarta.
Papo kayo sapatos, no?
Yeah.
Ako naman yan nanigwa. Mubalik ka. Yatang na ko na. Kinasuan.
Oo.
Ibili na. Papas mo na ko. Hindi ba?
Maybe. Yeah, I got a lot of friends in here. Hey. Oi, oi, oi.
Good morning.
Morning, morning. It's a public market, right? What's up? What do we got there? Oi.
It's the fish. Crab.
Yeah, mud crab.
Shrimp.
Pasig.
Shrimp.
Wow. Look at that, eh? What? Tanjay City Market. Oh yeah. What you making? Soy? Soy joy? We got like tomatoes, hot peppers, ginger, garlic, lettuce. I don't know what that is. All kinds of stuff. Hello. Yeah, I've been here 4 years and I'm finally filming the market, so. Actually, I've been here 4 years, 1 month, retired.
Hi.
Hello, blue crab. Gar. Look at that, eh? Whoa. Isn't that awesome? Woo.
Good morning.
Morning, man. Look at that. Big, eh? Oh, I'm gonna slip here. I know. Morning. Yeah, I'm not buying, just filming. All right. And then there's a baboy beef and baboy is pork. Hey, that's my amigo right there. Hello. Vegetables, salads, eggplant.
Are you a vlogger?
Yeah.
What's the name of your page?
YouTube, Philippines.beautiful. Philippines.beautiful. Alrighty. Wow. okay. Just filming today. Oh, yummy.
Chicken pit.
Yeah, I see that.
Chicken, lamig kayo. Ikaw, ano?
That's the meat, is it? Oh, chicken head. Here's looking at you. Salamat. Bad boy.
Hello, my friend.
Hey, morning.
Pork, beef.
Yeah, pork, beef. Oi!
Hey, go. Let me go.
Yeah, I'm thankful for that. Wow, livers, intestines, everything.
Hello, my friend.
Hey, morning.
Hi!
Hello. Yeah. Hello. Yeah. Hello, amigo. Yeah, that's right. Canada. Hello.
Hello. Uy.
Amigo. How are you?
How are you, Jen?
Good. Canada City Market. Oh yeah. There's an outside portion, so yeah. Hello, man. Gonna head outside here. Hello. Hey, wow, look at all dried fish. Dried fish.
Ano sir, mix na siya kapalog po. Ganito na. Lausan na siya, garang na kayo tanggal.
Into the light.
Ika kayo ba? Ganun anak ko.
Hey, hello.
Good morning.
Morning.
Luca.
Hey.